Here I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device. So at the very beginning let's unlock the screen, then let's open the list of all settings. So let's use the settings icon and then let's find system. Let me choose system. Here let's choose reset options and let's select erase all data. So this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Tap reset phone to confirm the operation and choose erase everything to accomplish the hard reset. So the device right now is formatting all personal stuff. Let's wait until the hard reset will be done. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.